Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Mushroom Queen TV. What an exciting journey we're having with mushrooms. Remember, this channel is all about mushrooms and what you need to know about healthy living. That is the target, and I know you are enjoying so far the videos that we are uploading. And if you're watching me for the first time, all you have to do is to subscribe, like and share these videos and help us to grow this channel. My name is Fafape and I welcome you. We are continuing the types of mushrooms that we have across the world, and today we're talking about a very special one, which is Enoki mushrooms. Have you ever heard of Enoki mushrooms and what they are? Yes, Enoki mushrooms are very popular in Japanese cuisines, and now due to technology, you can also enjoy Enoki mushrooms wherever you are in the world. Enoki mushrooms are quite long, tiny, and comes in bundles that are attached to a root. So they come a lot, but they have one root, and they are so special. I wish you can go out there and look for Enoki mushrooms. They have creamy white color and they come out so beautifully with a needle, so they can call them the needle mushroom or even winter mushrooms. So if you go out there and people say winter mushrooms, they are referring to Enoki mushrooms, or they can also be called the needle mushrooms. You can find Enoki mushrooms in various traditional Chinese and Japanese cooking or cuisines, and also here in Africa many are beginning to like Enoki mushrooms because of their savory, taste, and they are very, very good when they blend with other vegetables. It's super exciting seeing them all on your rice or even in your soups and stew, and they come with very unique taste. They add unique taste to that special food of yours. So never relent. Go out there and explore the world of mushrooms and get to know about Enoki mushrooms. Now to the medicinal properties of Enoki mushrooms. They come with as very, very special and essential vitamins. They are rich in vitamin B12, vitamin D, and also vitamin C, and they are high in protein and fiber. And when we talk of their antioxidant properties, they help to reduce cancer cells, and as usual, as a mushroom species, they also help to boost the immune system. So in this era where we have the COVID-19 still causing a lot of havoc in various parts of the world, one of the key ingredients that should be in your diet is mushrooms. And of course, you can put in the Enoki mushrooms to help boost that immune system and protect the white blood cells to wait for that disease to fight. Yes, so you have it all there. You can go out and look for Enoki mushrooms. They are creamy white and very long, and they contain a lot of healthy properties. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me on this video, and if you're helping to share this video for more people to like our page, thank you so much for doing so. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you're watching for the first time, please subscribe and click on that notification button so you get to see all the new videos that will be uploaded. Remember that there is nothing more than taking good care of your health. With health, you can do everything. Thank you so much.